Definitely smoking a joint today. Today's video, we're gonna be switching out my exhaust. We almost got pulled over by a cop on a motorcycle. So I'm gonna beat him to it and replace my muffler, just my muffler in the back, so it won't be as loud. Stock muffler on. I still have the straight pipe, the skunk 2. You know, we're gonna see right now how it sounds. Changing the oil on a Honda Civic EX. Got a bird in there.
Oh, dude, some shit.
Ooh, poor little guy. I know I smell fried chicken. Yeah, that's sad.
Would have been different if it would have been a. You see those motherfuckers running.